This waiting is killer.
Yeah, I know.
The anticipation.
He's concentrating. Go on, Stan.
You can do this.
I just can't get you out of my head. Oh, your love is all I just can't get you out of my head. And it's more than I dare to think about. I just can't get you out of my head. Oh, your loving is all I think about.
Come on, Kylie. Come on. You know you want to. Turn around.
Every day, just to be there in your arms. Would you stay? Would you stay forever and ever and
Can't get you out of my head. Wow, wow, wow. There's a theme. I'm good. How are you?
I'm
Who
good.
are you?
My name's Lee Glasson.
Hi, Lee.
I'm from Hertfordshire originally. I now live in Coventry. I'm an insurance manager.
The world needs them.
Someone's got to keep things safe. So how did you arrive at the decision to perform Can't Get You Out of My Head?
Minute, what's going on?
Your voice is really arresting.
Thank you.
It's kind of otherworldly, kind of amazing, mysterious voice, but it does that thing that is the thing that we're waiting for.
Yeah. Thank you so much. That
Whatever
means the
happens,
world.
thank you for that amazing rendition.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes. Well, first of all, I love what you did with that song.
Thank you.
To be quite honest with you, it wasn't until quite a way through the song that I realized it was that song.
Yeah.
Because
I mean, that was kind of half intentional. I wanted it to have a bit of mystery before it kicked in and you think,
To
oh,
surprise
that's
them a
how I
bit.
know that song. Yeah.
well, it's great. I mean, your voice is great,
Thank you.
and it got me.
Thank you so much.
And I love the way you sing.
Thank you.
And that's it.
Hey.
Hi, Mr. Wilson.
Yeah, that was incredible. You've got an amazing voice. I've never heard anything like that before. And
Thank you.
song choice was great. Great song. But, like, we need you on this show, and
Yeah.
you're what the show is made for, so...
Cheers.
So...
Hi, Will.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm cool, actually blown away because this is careers, right? Say, for example, we were in on this show, and we were stranded on an island somewhere,
Yeah.
all four of us. Who is the best fit for you creatively? The answer is quite obvious on who you should go with.
They know.
It's obvious. It's one of us four.
I really don't know what to do, and I'm not trying to milk it, people, I swear. I'm so stuck. Oh, I don't know. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
I'd give up now. I'd take you and say, right, I'll take the rest of the week off. I'm done. Right.
Amazing. I think I'm going to go with Kylie.